When considering recoating a floor, the first step is adhesion testing. The existing floor must be carefully evaluated to confirm that it is a suitable candidate for a recoat. At Techniquex, if we installed your original floor system, we stand behind our work by guaranteeing the entire system, not just the recoat materials applied. Once the floor is confirmed as a candidate for recoating, proper surface preparation is essential. The area is thoroughly prepped to remove any contaminants, ensuring optimal adhesion. Epoxy materials are then mixed and installed with precision. Because epoxy cures in mass, it is blended in a large vessel and immediately poured onto the floor. The material remains workable for approximately 20 to 30 minutes once spread on the surface, but will begin to set within 3 or 4 minutes if left in the mixing container. Technicians use a notched squeegee to evenly distribute the material, followed by back rolling and cross-hatching in the opposite direction. For example, if the initial passes are north-south, the crosshatch is east-west. This technique promotes self-leveling and ensures a smooth, uniform, and visually appealing finish. Once the epoxy is cured, the Techniquex team performs a screening process, which can be done either wet or dry. Screening creates microscopic scratches in the surface to promote a mechanical bond for the next coating layer. If the epoxy has not fully cured, often due to cooler temperatures, the screening pad will stick, indicating that the floor is not yet ready. Coating over an uncured surface can result in a secondary blush and adhesion failure, which is why timing and inspection are critical. By relying on mechanical bonding rather than chemical bonding alone, Techniquex ensures lasting adhesion and durability. This is why Techniquex floors don't peel. They're built on precise preparation and a proven process.